Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will review the Logitech M235 wireless mouse. This compact device is designed for comfort, fitting naturally in your hand. It uses a small USB receiver for a strong, reliable connection, making setup incredibly simple. You just plug it in and you're ready to go, no software needed. It's a straightforward and user-friendly option for everyday computing. The M235 boasts smooth, responsive optical tracking, allowing for precise cursor control on almost any surface. You won't need a mousepad for most tasks. Plus, with an impressive battery life of up to 12 months on a single AA battery, you won't be constantly replacing it. The scroll wheel is also very smooth, making document and web browsing effortless. This mouse is incredibly portable, easily fitting into a laptop bag or even a pocket, making it perfect for on-the-go use. It's also highly versatile, compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems, so it works with almost any computer. Considering its solid performance and durable build, the M235 offers excellent value for its modest price. So, is the Logitech M235 worth it? For everyday use, absolutely. Its comfort, reliability, and impressive battery life make it a strong contender. While it might lack some advanced features found in more expensive mice, its simplicity and performance are perfect for most users. It's a dependable, no-frills option that gets the job done well. Check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.